Y'all better quit playing and get one of these MCAP wigs.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me?
I have tried so many different textures in this wig style from ISEE Hair, and I have to say that the water wave and this kinky curly are my absolute faves. Like, look at this wig. It looks so freaking natural. I defined the curls on the wig. You'll see straight out of the box, the curls did not look like this, but it's so simple to get this hair looking nice and fluffy and natural, just like this. My mom said she would rock this wig, and my mom does not wear wigs, y'all. She wears her natural hair, okay? So if my mom says she would rock this wig, she's cute. So this wig install is completely glueless, as you can see, but it still looks so freaking natural. Like, get into this. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button down below. It's free, and make sure that that bell is turned on so you're notified as soon as I post a new video, or you may miss one. And if you would like to see how I installed this wig today and defined these curls, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. Let's go ahead and unbox this glueless wig from ISEE Hair, y'all. You already should know how the packaging is with all ISEE Hair Princess Collection wigs if you've been following my channel for a minute, because y'all already know ISEE Hair is one of my favorite companies to work with. Their wigs never miss. This is from their Princess Collection. The packaging always is super official, and here is the wig at the top. This is one of their kinky curly glueless wigs, so I have not tried this texture yet in their glueless wigs. This wig also came with freebies, of course. It came with 2 wig caps, 1 HD wig cap and a regular wig cap. It also came with replacement accessories to install inside of your wig, 6 pairs of mink lashes, and a satin cap to wear at night. I'm gonna go ahead and take the wig out of all this extra packaging, and I'll be right back. So this is one of their MCAP units, of course. It has a 9 by 6 inch HD lace closure, so 9 inches across the hairline and 6 inches back. It also comes with a pre-plucked hairline with bleach knots, and the lace has already been pre-cut, so it is ready to wear straight out of the box. There are no customizations that you need to do with this wig before installing her. Here is the texture of the hair straight out of the box. It's really pretty straight out of the box, y'all. Look at that. The curls already look super nice and defined and gorgeous. And here is the inside of the cap, y'all. It comes with 2 removable wig combs on the side, 1 removable wig comb in the back of the wig. It's got an adjustable elastic band strap here, and it has their logo on it, but this is also in silicone, so it allows it to grip to your head. And of course, it has the dips on both sides of the wig for your ear to fit comfortably around the wig. So I went ahead and added my foundation under the lace, y'all. I always do this just to make sure that it blends in with my skin seamlessly. Let's go ahead and install this wig. You could definitely wear the hair straight out of the box like this, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and define the curls on this wig, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my robe. That way I don't mess up my shirt with water and stuff, and I'll be right back. So I put my robe on. Let's go ahead and just get this middle parting more defined. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC 45 and just put that in my parting area. So now it's time to define these curls, y'all. I'm gonna take my water with leave-in conditioner mixture. There's Kinky Curly Not Today in here. Just a little bit is in here though, y'all. I don't add too much. I just add a little bit to hydrate the hair, a little more than just water in itself. But you wanna spray down this hair until it's nice and saturated. Make sure you focus and get those ends nice and wet, y'all, because at the end of the day, the ends tend to dry out the quickest, so you want those to be defined. Next, I'm gonna take this African Pride Rose Water and Argan Oil Curl Mousse. I love the way this stuff smells, y'all, and I'm going to apply this all over the hair. This is really going to help me to define these curls. And make sure you rake it through with your fingers. Next, I'm gonna take my John Frieda Frizz Ease Dream Curl Spray, and I'm gonna spray this throughout the hair. Next, I'm gonna take this Evolve hairbrush and I'm going to brush through these curls to get them nice and defined. Do you see how much that curl pattern has changed from this, y'all? Make sure y'all are defining the curls on your wigs because it makes a huge difference. It creates these gorgeous ringlets on the bottom of the hair. You could let this hair air dry. That would be a lot less work, but I've been loving the way that kinky curly hair looks after I diffuse it. That is what I'm gonna do. Look at those curls after you diffuse the hair, y'all. So pretty, so fire. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and defined the curls and also diffused the hair on this side, y'all. This wig looks so beautiful now. Like, are you kidding me? I'm gonna take a little bit of this Garnier Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment and I'm just going to run it through the hair and the curls just so that the hair looks really nice and juicy, y'all, and healthy. And this stuff smells good too. Next, I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna go through the hair and we're gonna get it a little more big than it currently is. Try not to get the hair too frizzy, and let's do the same on this side as well. Just kind of lift it up and pick it out. If you have a pick, that would be even better, but I just use a wide tooth comb for this. Look at that, y'all. You can't tell me this hair is not freaking gorgeous. You definitely need one of these in your life. I promise you, you won't regret it. I can't remember if I mentioned it in the video, but this wig is 20 inches long. This is ISEE Hair's Kinky Curly 20-inch M-cap wig. It has a 9x6-inch HD lace closure and it looks so nice and natural, completely glueless install, y'all, okay? Get into it. When it comes to the glueless closure wig game, the M-cap wigs are superior for sure. This is the most natural glueless M-cap wig I've ever installed because this looks believable. This looks like it could be my hair, baby, okay? It just looks so fluffy, so beautiful. Like, look at these curls. So pretty, and they bounce, they move, they're so gorgeous. Like, this hair is absolutely flawless, fluffy, like stiff wear. If you're interested in checking out this wig from ISEE Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, what are you doing? Go ahead and watch it right now.